After opening the package, first check the accessories. 1 tabletop, 2 table legs, 4 short crossbars, 1 long crossbar, 4 adjustable feet, 10 coarse screws, 16 flat pads, 6 fine screws, and 1 tool. Installation begins below. Next, install the long crossbar. Use its coarse screws along with the flat washers. Next, start installing the short crossbars. Next, install the table frame onto the tabletop. Use the 6 fine screws to connect to the tabletop. Next, use a tool to tighten all the screws. Tighten them all. Next, the 2 of them flip the table over.